Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to introduce to you the Ville dashboard camera. It's record and take pictures of everything that is happening in front of you and behind you while driving. It comes with 16 gig memory card and a rear view camera. Let me open it so you can see what's inside. This is the mirror, while this is the screen, and this is the front camera. So it comes with the charger that charges the device and a rear view camera that you place at the back of your vehicle. Let me show you how to install it. There are two clips here, so you attach this to the existing mirror already. So now that we've attached it, so we'll just plug in the charger and it will automatically comes up and start recording. So we plug the charger here. As you can see, and it start recording. So that's how it works. Once you order for this device now, you get a scratch car remover pen and a key tracker for free.